Alright, this is a video of the ceiling fan in my bedroom. Many people probably recognize this fan from my old account. It is the Breeze Crosswinds. There's 3 of these in my house. I filmed the one in my office. Now I'm going to film the one in my bedroom. There's one more that's in the guest bedroom, but we have some guests occupying that room right now. But I'll try and get a video of it sometime soon. It's an oil bronze with the cherry colored blades. I like it. The thing that you see on the pull string came from an old air freshener. I thought it just looked cool on there. This is a remote controlled ceiling fan. I'll show you the remote. It's Breeze on it. I'll turn it on. Now there is a dimmer on this fan, but I have it switched to the CFL mode, which just means that you can't dim the light, but that's okay. It's just on and off. It's the cherry color. And I'll start it off on low first. It's a pretty quiet running fan. I normally run it on this speed if it's ever on, which it's barely on, but sometimes it's on. Here's medium. And here's high. Very powerful fan. Here's the light. And here's off. So that completes it for the Breeze Crosswind in my bedroom. Thanks for watching.